Do you want to speak confidently? Do you want to speak effortlessly? This video is for you because in this video I'm going to talk about just one simple step. If you follow this one simple step, you will be able to speak like a native speakers. So hi everyone, this is Shujan from Speaking Roadmap. I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about just one simple step to take your English to the next level. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with our new brand video. So as I mentioned earlier, I made a promise I would upload 30 videos on my YouTube and Facebook channel, and this is video number 10. It's all about think in English. When you speak in our mother tongue, we try to think in just our mother tongue, Bangla, right? So that's why we can talk effortlessly without any barrier, without any problem or difficulties. So when we think about English, when you speak in English, we translate in Bangla to English language. So it makes our English journey slow, and sometimes it looks unnatural and confusing. So always try to think in English, because if you think in English, you will be able to speak confidently. You will be able to speak like a native speaker within a month. Okay, I promise you, within a month you can speak confidently. So maybe you are a beginner or already started your journey as an English learner. So in your first step, you will make a lot of mistakes, and people will judge you, people will laugh at you, but don't care. Okay, making mistakes are proven that you are improving. Making mistakes are that you are improving your English speaking. So I always suggest all of my audience, try to speak in English and think in English and come out of your comfort zone and try to English in unfamiliar situation with your friends, or maybe sometimes non-native speakers, native speakers, right? If you can, you'll be able to speak confidently, effortlessly, and like a native speaker, right? And you can think easily, and at that time, if you follow this step. So how you can think in English? So first of all, when you see a tree, you can describe this tree. Okay, this is a big tree. There are a lot of leaves in these trees. There are some branches, and outer side of these trees, this is the bark, these are the roots, these are fruits, like this. Okay, when you are walking on the road, you can say I'm walking along the road, and both of side of these roads are green and lush, and I can see the gentle breeze is blowing, the birds are chirping, and when you eat something, you can say this food is delicious, I cook this food, and you can also explain the ingredients of this food. Okay, so this is how you can develop, and this is how you can think in English. So don't think about others. Okay, you will in your first step you maybe make a lot of mistakes. Don't care about this. Okay, so just carry on your conversation, carry on your thinking process, keep learning, keep going. Okay, so that's all for today. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay healthy and happy. Bye for now.